everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. Today I want to show you how to install the tear off on your LS2 Thunder helmet. So first thing you want to do, pull that tear off out of the packaging. And now the tear offs do have a little bit of a plastic protector on them. So you want to go ahead and get that pulled off and ready to put on your helmet. Sometimes it's easier said than done. There we go. So you can see it just got that little plastic coating on it, and that's going to help with the clarity on your shield or on your tear off and keep it protected before you go off for your race. And it does have one on the other side as well. We're not going to worry about that for right now. So the tear off has a flat side and a curved side. That curved side is the side that is going to go down towards the bottom of the helmet here. And what you want to do is line up on the tear off post. And the tear off post has a little bit of a cam to it. So you're going to insert the front edge first and just kind of work your way around that post until that tear off seats properly onto that helmet. Kind of like so. So you just kind of have to work it around and then it'll fall into place. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, like so. So again, you're going to kind of start at the front and just slowly work your way around. That post is cammed, so you can adjust that. And just give it a good pull, and your tear off is fully inserted. Now in the event of a race, remember this will be clear when you pull the protective covers off of it. In the event of a race, you get some splatter, some bugs on there, you need a clear vision, just go ahead and pull off to the side there, give it a good yank, and it'll come right off the helmet. There you go, easy enough.